Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Today, I just want to share with you my iPhone 15 purchase that I bought on Shopee. At first, I was really hesitant to order online because, there are so many scams out there. But after checking the store and reading the reviews, I decided to give it a try. And here it comes, my iPhone 15. I bought it from the Apple flagship store on Shopee. And you can see here on the screenshot, I will also insert the price of the phone when I purchased it. It's around 45,000 plus that time. But right now, I think the price is just around 33,000 plus something. And as you can see, it was very legit. It came with a charging port. But Apple doesn't include the charging head anymore. As you can see here, I powered it on and the Apple logo appeared. And yeah, the hello screen with different language also appeared. You just need to select the country you're in and you can set it up quickly. So that's the overview of the iPhone. To check your iPhone if it is 100% original and brand new, check it on the settings and go to the about, check the model number, and the model number must start with letter M. If it starts with letter M, that means that your iPhone is 100% original. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.